Hello world, it's yours truly, G. Cole, Homegrown with G. Cole. The podcast airs right here on Jamaicans.com every Monday and Thursday, 7 p.m. till 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We're going to talk about the facts of Jamaican music. I don't want to say reggae music because, you know, all the other genres contribute to this Jamaican music culture also. Lovers Rock. We love it, not you. Who do we consider the king of Lovers Rock? Beresford Hammond. It's a beautiful thing. When we think Lovers Rock, we think all them nice reggae bass lines, you know what I mean? And the nice lovers lyrics and the whole nine. Lovers Rock was birthed in London, not Jamaica. All right? I know when we hit you with the facts, you know, ain't always the facts you want to hear. My name is G. Cole. It is Homegrown G. Cole. Keep it moving, keep it grooving. It's homegrown.